Splat was happy. It was almost night. He was getting ready to camp under the moonlight. Everything is just right, Splat told his mom. I have my sleeping bag, I have my flashlight, and I have a surprise, said Splat's mom. Let's go outside. Mom and Splat went into the garden. They pulled back the tent flaps. Splat peered inside the tent. Two sets of eyes peered back. Say hello, Spike and Plank, said Splat's mom. They are camping here tonight. Splat felt his whiskers wobble with fright. Mom, whispered Splat, I don't like Spike. You might like him better if you spend some time together, said Splat's mom. You'll see, everything will be just right. I'm hungry, said Spike. What did you bring for me to eat? I have some fish cakes, Splat said. Yum, said Spike. He gobbled them up in delight. Look, said Splat. The stars are so bright. I see at least 1,000,000. I see 71, said Plank. I see nothing, said Spike, but two silly cats looking at the moonlight. It's getting late, said Splat. Let's try to sleep. But Plank could not rest. My sleeping bag is much too tight, he said. Plank tossed, he turned, he struggled, stretched, and strained. Rap, you reckon, said Spike. Splat was just about to fall asleep when something felt wrong. He saw a dark shadow creep up the tent wall. Run for your life, Splat shouted with all his might. Splat, oh my, Spike laughed. Did I give you a fright? What's the big deal, said Spike. Everything is all right. Splat did not think so, but he was too tired to pick a fight. One by one, Splat's whiskers dropped. One by one, his eyes shut tight. Suddenly, Spike sprang up. What's wrong, said Splat. There's something crawling on my leg, yelled Spike. Mommy, screamed Spike. He scrambled out of his sleeping bag. He stumbled out of the tent. When Spike took flight, he took the whole tent down with him. Oh, Seymour, said Splat, it was just you. It's all right, Spike. Come back, said Splat and Plank. We will protect each other for the rest of the night. Promise, sniffled Spike. Promise, said Splat. Now good night, said Splat. Sleep tight, said Plank. See you in the morning light, said Spike. For three friends who camped out that night, everything turned out just right.